Bedford recently unveiled an innovative new solution called Screenwall.
It's a 2-foot wide protruded composite panel that's 3 inches thick. It can be used for a whole variety of different applications.
The common applications are for privacy, security, concealment, and even some sound abatement around noisy machinery, around areas that we want to shield from the public, such as wastewater treatment plants, other water treatment plants, and electrical substations.
It's for a facade around generator sets at data centers, security fences, security systems, structures that are around different pieces of equipment. For example, if there's a series of pumps or tanks that the owner of the plant wants to conceal, they could construct essentially a wall or a fake wall system, if you will, around those products that would keep it away from the public eye, make it way more aesthetically pleasing. The other thing it could be used for is a sound wall barrier system, where you could apply insulation to the inside of the panel, and it would work very well for a sound wall. So really, to me, the sky's the limit from a secured area to covering up, equipment.
Screenwall is made of fiberglass-reinforced polymer, or FRP, giving it distinct advantages over traditional building materials.
It's lighter weight, easier to work with. FRP is ideal in exterior environments. It holds up well to weathering, in moisture. It's impervious to insects. It will not rust or rot as compared to steel or wood.
One of the biggest advantages that we see with using this type of system, it does not conduct electricity, meaning in a substation, for example, if something went wrong and somebody got into touching the composite panel, they wouldn't get electrocuted.
We offer it with our proprietary protective shielding, so it's virtually maintenance-free.
UV will not attack it. It's not going to rust or rot or corrode. So we have products that have been out for 25 years and they're still going strong. With the new shielding materials we're applying now to the outer surface, conceivably they could go even longer.
To learn more about Screenwall and to get a quote on your next project, contact Bedford at 814-623-8125 or visit bedfordreinforced.com.